Hi and welcome to the first video in June. I've been doing some work on the layout. I've done a little bit of work on the LCC nodes for the ESP32, but I've also been designing some buildings and different things to go in this area. Now, one thing I've decided is the Princeton engine shed, which you've probably seen in earlier videos, this is now going to sit here where my programming track is. I've created this building here to cover the Arduino Nano LCC node. I'm also working on a building down here which I will show you more in the next few minutes within this video, that I think is going to make it look good. Obviously I've created buildings for here, here and down there to cover the LCC nodes as well, so I'll show you them shortly as well. So I'll just say here you can see the engine shed, so that will get more work done it to make it more realistic and add some more scenic work around the side of it. And this is another building. I say I'm very pleased with the way that came out. Still got to be weathered, got to have more details put on it, drain pipes and other scenic bits added to it. So here's the building that I'm working on, and I will insert some other videos or pictures to show you this work in progress. So this is going to have another level on it up here, which will go over to the canal and allow for barges to be unloaded and possibly drop load into the type of wagons which will come in to here. So as I say, this has only just been started. It's on my new printer, so I'm testing that out, and so far how well the Elegoo printer is certainly handling the FDM printing of the brickworks. As I say, it is still a work in progress, but it's coming along nicely. So this building I am designing in SketchUp Mate 2017, and I'm using OOB plugin, the free version at the moment, as this is what I've only got working for myself. And here you can see another building that I've created. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put stuff inside of it yet. Obviously the roof comes off very easily. This comes off. And also this will lift off as well. So I have full access to it, and then it all sits back nicely on it. So another one of those, the opposite hand is going to come in down this area here, so that will also help protect the Arduino Nano hiding it as well. I still need to do some more work here. I've got another signal box which I'm planning to put in possibly in this area here, or I might put it here actually, and that way it sort of fills in this area for me. So obviously the lighting is not too good, I need to improve the lighting for the layout. So as I say, the Elegoo Centauri carbon has certainly, for me, great value for money at £299 plus postage. As I say, we did adopt it very early when they first showed it, and I'm so pleased with it. So easy to set up, almost as you say is plug and play. Obviously I'll show you some of the work my lad's been doing with it. I've shown you some of the stuff I've been doing for the layout, so I'll show you some of that. But as I say, I can highly recommend this printer. So far it's been a pleasure to work with it. Obviously in the past I used to use the Ender 3 Pro, which I was very pleased with what I was able to achieve with it, but with the motherboard going faulty on it, I decided let's treat myself to one of these. And here's a time lapse showing one of the things my son has printed, and as I say, very impressed with it. You've got the two sides to the build plate. There's a very smooth and there's one with a bit more texture, and you know, these are sticking lovely to the bed. And here's an example of what you can achieve with it, and the effects, as I say, I'm well impressed with it. So, you know, definitely can recommend this printer.